Hello guys, today we are going to be playing marble pit thingy or whatever, so let's start. Which one? The red one looks pretty cool. Okay, let's do this one. Oh, do you have to like jump or something? I don't think we have to. Ooh! Whoa. Come on, just go down. No. Ooh. Ah, no. Ah. And I'm out purple now. What the? I'm out purple now. Hey. I changed. I need to go back. How do I go back? This. Who cares? Let's just die. Reset. Just like pretend that nothing happened. Let's just go to blue. Okay, let's go. Click. Let's go. Ooh. I was like, I'm gonna fall it, am I? But then, no. Just really steep. Oh, what? What is this? Is that supposed to happen? I think you're supposed to go on that one and then down, but I fell into this one. Going different places. Oh, I was supposed to be there. Oh, no! And I'm at green. Wow, this is just great. Let's go down, I guess. Oh, whoa! I'm gonna. Oh, I did it. Let's go. When are we gonna go there? I want to go back. How do we? Oh, ow. Oh, I'm back. Okay, which one? How about Poopy Brown? Click. Let's go. Oh. What? Oh. Whoa. What? Why am I like, every time there's like a really steep hill, then I just die. Oof. I just stay there for seconds. I don't know if this is not brown. This doesn't look. Move! Who cares? Oh. No, am I going to blue now? Is that supposed to be it? I think it is. That was really short. But on to pink. No, we're just going to random. Okay, we went to red to blue and then to brown. So all we need now is those. Or maybe we could do that next. Let's do blue, light blue. Why? So I'm not gonna be rough anymore? Not gonna be rough? It doesn't matter really. Come on, I'm so close. Oof. I'm like, am I? Oh. Wow. Wait, this is the place we went. Yeah, it's the place where I fell. Rip off. Now we're just gonna. Wow. Let's go. Oh. Ugh. Okay, don't go to green, blue, whatever it's called. Whoa! And I'm at orange. Is that supposed to happen? I don't know, but I'm at orange. Oh, now I'm back. And now I need to go to the ice. What? I stepped on the ice. What is that bacon girl doing? Yes. Spawn. So finish that, so let's go to yellow. I should have just done it in order, that would be way easier. But here I go. Really kind of sketchy, but because I wanted a little break from Friday Night Funkin'. Even though I am a Friday Night Funkin' character, who cares? That was it. I nearly fell off. So, let's go. Come on. This should probably take about 2 seconds now. And it's not. Finally, we're actually slowing down. Stop! Are we gonna stay like this for a very, very, very long time? Yes, fine. That took like a very long time. Okay, I'm not going to yellow anymore because whoop, green. Let's just skip red. I don't really, it doesn't matter, right? Because you guys could just play yourself at the link in the description. And this is really fast. Wow. Let's go down. Really sketchy. Yeah, my. No! I'm not supposed to be here. Seriously? I went in this place twice now. And now I'm gone to green and went and crash boom and then just exploded on blue. And I'm here now. Wow, I'm supposed to be right here. But I'm not. I think what? And then you're supposed to go there and then go down. Oh. Come on. You know what? Just to save time, let's just reset every time. It saves a lot of time. No, I'm not. I don't want to go to blue. Bye. Oh. What is this place? Secret! Ah! It looks so cool. What the? What is that? So weird, but cool. Weird, cool. Do I actually have to be at yellow? Let's just, yes, die. Let's just, okay, finally. I'm like, let's just name it. Okay, we finished green, we finished red. Do you already do this purple? It's purple, yeah. Click. Hopefully purple is real easy. Where is purple going? Oh. I didn't see that. Am I stuck? Oh, no. Never, I'm like, oh, never mind. Wow. Oh, let's go to yellow and let's go to green. Ow. Save some time real quick. And of course I make it right there. Woo! Why did I spawn there? Okay. We already did brown. Here. Ooh, it's this way now. Looks sketchy already. Oh my. Ah! What? Oh what? Oh what? We know! What? I really don't know what that was. But we made it! Yay! Why is there a new ball? Finally. Okay, after that is pink, which I already finished, which is green. This is not green. Was it actually green? I don't remember my colors. Wait, why does it say green but then it's purple then? No idea. Anyways, let's go down. And of course this happens. Did we just bounce off green to go to blue and then just... Wow, that was really... That girl just stopped from me getting here. Let's get out. After that is pink, after pink is green, and then orange. Click. Okay, does it look that sketchy? Oof. Down there, to there, to there. I was gonna say, I don't think I'm gonna fall, but look, I'm at purple now. And then purple is supposed to lead over there, taking a very long time. So let's just speed this real quick. Yes. Yes. We're still going slow. Oh. That took a really long time. But anyways, at least you guys cannot see the torture. Oh. I'm like, we're stuck again. Ooh. Come on, right there. Please don't jump. Okay. 360. That's not 360. After that is the orange. I already did orange. I will do blue. So guys, yeah, this will be the end of the video. If you guys want more, then we can do more. Yeah, because we already finished all of it. But anyways, yeah, bye.